Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money with Greenlight using US Bank. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the US Bank app. Come here and select the Greenlight option. Okay, select your Greenlight account. And then here I want you to go ahead and just select the send money button. After this, I want you to just select the dollar amount that you would like to send. If you want to enter a specific amount, click here on other and input the custom amount. And then I want you to go ahead and come here and choose where you want to move your money from, which account. So choose that account. And of course, you have to choose which account you are going to move money to. So if you want to just spend it anywhere, just go ahead and click here. So after that, it'll actually ask you to add a note. So you can do that as well. So we have this as where we're sending it to. Add your note if you want, and then just go ahead and click on send. And there you go. Click here on done after that. And as you can see, we have moved this from checking account to spend anywhere account. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. I'll see you in the next one.